FA. The movement is precise, controlled by advanced servo motors, placing the block into a climate-controlled state. A high-precision, articulated laser tracker system fires an invisible beam onto reflective targets, accurately. These smaller titanium alloy sections, intended for process B fasteners, are rapidly routed along the dedicated.
Segregation confirmed. QA forgings approved for 5-axis milling. QB stock routed to precision lathe. Locking material destiny now.
A massive block of titanium is loaded into the colossal 5-axis CNC center, initiating the purple. As the titanium blanks drop into the tumbler, they are mixed with ceramic media and fluid. The titanium blanks are dried and sorted. A high-speed vision system checks each 2-centimeter piece before. The machine retracts the tool for a laser scan. If wear is detected, the robotic arm swiftly replaces it from. This aggressive flow of synthetic coolant is critical. It instantly removes the intense heat and microscopic titanium. Automatic tool switching in progress. The semi-finishing tool is rapidly retracted and returned to the magazine. Immediately.
The sensor data confirms the flatness is within tolerance post-process A.
No dimensional drift detected on the gantry.
The highly polished, high-stress titanium alloy fasteners are transferred into a final chemical bath for passivation. As the high-stress titanium alloy fasteners are installed, a localized scanning system.
Slow descent. Maintain current vector. And lock. Alignment confirmed. The integration is successful.
Stress levels peaking on the starboard spars.
Process B confirms integrity. All fasteners showing optimal.
Confirming alignment on section Tango-4. Proceed with final securing sequence.
Structural integrity certified for closure. Process B complete.
As the engines roar to life, the airframe undergoes intense vibration. The specialized fasteners, however, maintain
maximum positive G-load during the climb. The structural components, rigidly joined by the titanium alloy fasteners, bear the full stress of the maneuver.
At supersonic speeds, the airframe is under extreme stress. The high-stress titanium alloy.
The Su-57 executes a sharp, high-G tactical turn, stressing the titanium.
Ultrasonic check on the main spar fasteners.
Solid readings across the board. Process B is validated.
the aircraft's structural rigidity and responsiveness under maximum load are confirmed. We experienced absolutely no unexpected.
These high-stress titanium alloy fasteners are the backbone of the weapon pylons. Their integrity is absolutely essential for mission success. The Su-57 demonstrates perfect structural integrity. These high-stress titanium alloy fasteners are the culmination of years of